Okay, so I forgot to hit record here, but basically you want to start a new composition pile. You're gonna right click and do new composition. And when it does that, you can set the HD like 180 by 12 or whatever. And you can also set the other things in there. Yeah, that's it.
Alright, now on that box bottom left, you right click, do new and then camera. And then you could just press OK. You could leave the default settings. And then now you have to press new and then null object. There we go. So you should rename the null object to like camera control because this is what will control your camera. And then you click and drag that swirly thing into the
on camera 1.
Yeah.
Grab camera 1 swirly, drag upwards.
So now you see on the parent link, it shows that it's linked.
Okay.
So you moving the cam controller will move the camera.
Okay, thank you, Professor Smallz.
Then if you see that box icon, those 3 empty squares.
Oh, this?
See those 3? Yeah, the empty square, just below it. Just below it. Yeah, this. There you go. This makes the cam controller work in 3D.
Okay.
So if you select the cam controller and press P,
letter P.
Yeah.
Okay.
This shows your position. So you see it has 3 different things you could change, right? So if you unselect the 3D thing, just to kind of show you, yeah. You see, now it's back to 2D, where it's 2 different values.
Okay.
And then you pick the 3D thing, it's back to 3D. So now you could literally move your camera. And now you just add the keyframes and everything of whatever you're trying to do. But you won't see anything because everything is black, right? So you can't really see it move, but it's actually moving.
How do I...
So now...
Okay.
That's where you'll add your picture.
Okay.
So you'll just click and drag the picture into the timeline. Yeah, like right below camera 1.
Okay.
There it is. And now you have to make it in 3D.
So then I click 3D here?
Yeah. And now, if you move the camera...
Can't control it?
So you could... Yeah, if you click, you see on the position, if you click one of the numbers and you just like click and drag left or right, you could see... You could try this.
Oh,
yeah, this is a bit...
Where'd it go? I lost it forever.
Okay, stop and then Control Z.
Control.
Control Z, I mean. To go back to the original position.
Okay.
You see on the timeline where there's like the values?
This? X, Y?
Yeah. Yeah. So here, I click one of the value, like let's say the 960. Yeah, then click and drag. I'll click and drag it. Click and drag it left and right.
Oh, okay.
Like this, you have more precise movement. So yeah, you could play around with these. You could try with the 540 as well. See what it does.
540.
Yeah, here.
Okay, okay.
See the X, the Y, and then you could try the other one.
Yes, the zooms.
Yeah, so this is how you control it. The orientation is, for like the angles and stuff and all that. Oh damn.
We're past it now, so then, okay.
Yeah, so to have it like basically, let's try a zoom thing. Let's try this.
Okay.
So zoom out. Not that you can. You can even put a number if you're lazy. You can be more specific. Now, you see the clock icon in your position?
Yes?
Yeah, this. This is how you keyframe. So clicking this once will activate the keyframe. That is the first keyframe. So you can click that.
Okay.
Then, on the timeline, you see that blue arrow thing?
This?
This, yeah. This controls like where you are in the timeline. So if you click and drag it, it controls where you are. So go to like let's say halfway through. here, then zoom in and put in that you want.
Okay.
Yeah, like this. Let's say like this. And now just press spacebar. Spacebar is to basically play the timeline. So
Oh.
let's wait until it resets. And then you'll see it zooms in. So this is the basic stuff for camera. You're in a 3D world. You could position your item somewhere in the world and then just play around with the camera with keyframes.
Okay.
You got it.
So how do I make this like go to the next object? Like okay, what I want to do, so I can mess around with it later, is put an object behind that and an object behind that and start moving like through them. How would I do?
So what will you do is put the object like in there. I have an example actually.
Okay.
And you have to place them. You have to go and place them directly like in that 3D world. And then you have to move your camera to like kind of go behind each object.
Okay, so what do I press? Right.
Like add all the stars. Then you have to make them 3D.
3D. I know how. Okay.
And then on those pictures, if you press P, move the camera so it goes behind the cat.
Okay.
So we can see the cat. Okay, that's why the star is in front.
Oh.
The star is in front of the cat. That's why we can see. So if you position the star to be okay, it should be in the in the plus. My bad. So that's that. Now it should be behind the cat. You can do the same thing with this one as well.
So then, okay, first move kitty. Wait, do I have position for kitty? This is okay.
P. If you press P, if you select the item, press P, it should show the position.
Okay, so I'll press on this and P. And,
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you want, like, if on the right, there's all the options. You can also control it there, but I usually do it here.
Okay, so now the kitty's really zoomed in. Okay, how do I move the camera like past? Oh wait. Okay then.
Yeah, you have to keyframe it and do that's where you have to edit.
There we go.
And there you see the next star.
Yeah.
And then if you want to go past the star, you have to move the camera past it. And that's pretty much it.
Oh, okay. So then if I want to do this animation, which is... Oh. So then... Okay. I want to start it like this. Then how do I go? Okay. This is the start of a new keyframe?
Yeah.
And then what do I do here?
So on
This?
if you want to, you can either delete it or edit it.
So I press delete.
Delete, yeah.
Okay. And then I go in here.
And
Then I... Okay, I think I get it. So I go here, and then I go to camera. Alright, and then... What do I do to save that?
you could just spacebar and then we'll autoplay.
Okay.
It's coming right at me. And there you go.
Yay!
And then there's a lot more more advanced techniques on like how to make the camera look like move faster, moves more fluid, all that with spline and a lot of other stuff.
Okay.
But that's the basic stuff of what I did for 3D camera.
Mhm.
Which is pretty much it. Like, I literally had all these guys positioned somewhere,
Mhm.
and like the credit as well.
Yeah,
I
that's
put
what we
a
want to see for
3D,
you.
I put a 3D place,
Mhm.
which I could just post them like everywhere they need. I have them like fade in, fade out, and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's exactly what I want to do. I want to do stuff like that, moving around the camera.
Yeah. So
One last thing. So let's say I want to save this. I'm like, oh, this is perfect. I want to save it. How do I export it?
okay, like export it. Okay, like export it as a video.
Yeah.
Okay, so go on file on the top left. Yeah. Then go on export. Then you do add to render queue. And then this is will be your export. Before you render it, you have to specify the folder, which you see there's like output to, and then not yet specified.
Output to.
Blue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is where you specify the folder you wanted to export it. So you just click the blue. Yeah. Then choose the folder you want.
Okay.
Then just press render.
There we go. And now I have it.
There we go.
Videos. It's gonna look so silly.
So you go A bid. Oh, huh? What's it? Oh, okay.
That's when you render, it's gonna make an annoying fucking sound.
and finally, so let's say I want to make this green screen thing. How do I put the green?
Oh, so what? There's multiple ways. One easy way so it doesn't fuck anything. Go back to your. Okay, you see main on your thing, bit on top. Yeah, this. Big dot. That will bring you back to the composition that you're working on because you can have multiple in a project.
Okay.
Which is why naming is very important because it could be very messy. Go all the way down so you can add a new thing. Maybe just an easier way. If you go on layer all the way.
Oh.
All the yeah, there we go.
Okay. You really meant okay.
Layer, then there'll be new, and it could be solid. Then you see on the color.
Mhm.
You can name this as a green screen, but here color you could just put it green. Yes. And then press OK. Okay. And then I'll put the green all the way down. So click and drag the green and put it all the way down. No, not that.
Okay.
Like the name. You see the name? Green? Yeah, just click and drag all the way down. Yeah. All the way behind everything.
You're getting it, Captain.
Okay. And that's it.
Yeah, if you press play, it should be. Because you didn't make it. Yeah, there we go. Basically, what this do, right? Because
Let's go.
because you didn't put that green in the 3D space, the background is green.
Okay, so now that I know all these exact steps, I'm gonna, I guess, try to mess around with it.